Hello, I'd like to give my review on my night guard that I got online. Let me show you the product. Here's the box it comes in. Here is the night guard that I purchased. First, I'll tell you how I found out about it. I went to my dentist. They were trying to sell me all kinds of stuff, like 4 sets of retainers, and I merely wanted a simple, old-fashioned night guard, just for the upper or lower, to protect my teeth at night. I was advised to do this, but they were trying to sell me all these expensive things that were $795. So I went online and I found the site for this company, and let me tell you what I like about it. Number one, they give good instructions on how the whole procedure works, and then detailed instructions of how to take the mold and send it in. Secondly, the turnaround time was excellent. It was a matter of days in each direction, the shipping was. And lastly, why did I choose this product? Because I like the layout on their site, and as well, there were so many options, so many thicknesses, so many types, and they gave reasonable explanations that someone who has an inquiring mind, such as myself, was able to make what I felt was an educated decision. So I like them. They're easy to clean, and they're a snug fit. Voila.